Hello everyone.
We are thrilled to announce the launch of our new data analytics division at GSS.
We have assembled a team of highly skilled senior developers, who have acquired expertise in data analytics.
To spearhead this initiative, we have appointed a dedicated data analytics lead. But here's the exciting part: to kickstart our projects and showcase our capabilities, we are offering our resources at a highly discounted rate.
That's right. We propose a unique arrangement, where our services will be provided on an outcome basis. Now, let's talk about the types of projects we are eager to undertake. First, we specialize in creating accurate models, to predict outcomes or behaviors based on available data. Second, our team can develop comprehensive dashboards to visualize and analyze complex datasets, enabling you to gain valuable insights at a glance.
Lastly, leveraging our analytical skills, we can dive deep into your data, uncover patterns, and provide actionable recommendations to drive informed decision-making.
If you have any projects that fall within these categories, we would love to hear from you.
Please don't hesitate to reach out to me at sales@gssstech.in.
We look forward to collaborating with you and delivering exceptional results. Thank you for your time and consideration. We can't wait to embark on this data analytics journey together. Contact us today and let's make data analytics work for you.